This question was very important question in the exam point of view, because here is the branch. In the previous video we haven't solved any questions which contain branch or the jump statement. Okay, in this video I will cover how to tackle if there is the question coming of branch and the jump. Okay, if the question is comes from the branch, then there is a two cases. Case 1 is if branch is not taken. Okay, and case 2 is if branch is taken. Let's understand what is mean by branch not taken and branch taken. Suppose in the programming, if A is greater than B, then there is some statement. Okay, then there is the else part, then there is some statement. Okay, if this condition is true, then this condition is going to happen, but if this condition is failed, then this statement is going to happen. Okay, same like that. If the branch is taken, it means this condition is true, so we jump from this to L1. It means jump from this to this. If branch is not taken, it means this condition is false, and so this instruction is going to happen. Okay, let's solve these questions using stalling. Okay, or without operand forwarding. Sometimes the question is comes like that. Solve this question by using without operand forwarding. So by common sense we know without operand forwarding means there is only one option left, that is stalling. I know there is the second option is reordering, but in this case without operand forwarding means stalling. Okay, let's see the first. Add R1, R2 and R3. There is no IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. Okay. Second is subtract R1, R7 and store in R2. Okay, it means R1 is dependent with this add. It means we get the value of R1 here. It means IF. I cannot take the wrong value at the beginning, so stall. Here I get value of R1, the ID, EX, ME, WB. Okay, no issue. I cannot start from here because it is stalling. Same IF. Let's see for the branch taken. There is no independency, so IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. Now talk about the case 1. Okay, if branch is not taken, it means this branch is false, so the instruction is executed as previously we have solved in the previous video. It means multiply and divide is going to execute next. It means IF is R9 and R3 is like dependent. No, IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. Divide R6, R8, R7 is independent. Yes, R8 are independent. It means I get R8 from here. IF, stall, ID, EX, ME, W. Okay. For the case 1 and the case 2, if branch is taken and branch is not taken, this three statement is safe. It means before the if condition, every line is going to execute. It means if before any cases, this three instruction is going to execute by default. Okay, it means 1, 2, 3 same. So I copy paste from this. IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. Then subtract IF, stall, ID, EX, ME, WB. Okay, same. IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. we have solved the question. If branch is not taken, if branch is taken, it means what? If condition is true. If the condition is true, then the statement in the if is going to execute. It means if this branch is true, then it jump from this statement 1 to 3 to this. Okay, from there is because the condition is true. Condition is true means what? This go to L1. This L1 here, the L1. Then what? Load R4, R6. Is the dependency? No. IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. Subtract R10, R4, R11. Dependency. During the checking of dependency, we know if the branch is taken, then this statement is not going to execute. So don't check dependency of this with this two. Okay, suppose instead of R4, if there is a R6, hence here is a R6 that is dependent with this. But if the condition is true, then we know after the two statement, this is not going to execute. It means there is no end dependency of this statement with this statement. Please be clear. Okay, it means R4, R11 is end dependency. No, simply IF, ID, EX, ME and WB. The question is solved. Now let's solve one question of jump. Okay, it's the same example. Add R19 what it means? Add R1, R2, R3. Sorry. Add R1, R2, R3. Subtract R2, R1, R7. R2, R1, R7. Let's jump J4. Okay. J4. First space diagram. IF, ID, EX, ME, WB. R1 dependence. So IF install ID, EX, ME, WB. Jump 4. It means jump to the 4. Is there any 4? Like in the, if branch is true, we have to go in the L1. Here is L1, so we have executing this. If there is no L1, then we stop here. Same like jump 4. Is there any 4? Like if in the question 4 load store, then we have to execute this instruction. But there is no any jump 4. Simply we can start from here. IF, ID. We know in the instruction decode we get the value. In the decode we get what? Jump 4. It means jump 4. So no need to execute memory and the write back, because jump 4 is the statement, the conditional statement. When the instruction decode get jump 4, is simply jump the 4 and stop here. It means clock cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clock cycle is 8. Okay. This is the ending of the raw hazard. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubt, and I will upload all the notes, handwritten notes with the proper answer in the description, so you can check in the further to take for the note. Thank you.